Which germ causes tuberculosis? Bacteria. Tuberculosis, also called TB, is a disease caused by a germ named Mycobacterium tuberculosis. It mostly attacks the lungs, but it can also harm other parts of the body. A person with TB often has a long-lasting cough, chest pain, fever, night sweat, and weight loss. TB spreads from one person to another through the air when an infected person coughs or sneezes. Which disease is caused by drinking dirty water? Cholera. Cholera is a disease that spreads through dirty water and food. It is caused by a germ called Vibrio cholera. When people drink contaminated water or eat food made with it, the germ enters the body and causes very watery diarrhea and vomiting. Because of this, the body loses too much water and salt very quickly, which can make a person weak and dehydrated. Which germ causes malaria? Protozoa. Malaria is a serious disease caused by a tiny parasite called Plasmodium. These parasites live inside the body and is spread to humans through the bite of a female Anopheles mosquito. When the mosquito bites a person, the parasite enters the blood and starts to multiply. Which vaccine protects from polio? OPV. Oral polio vaccine, also called OPV, is a medicine given to children in the form of drops. It protects them from a dangerous disease called polio, which can cause weakness or paralysis of the legs and arms. The drops are given multiple times in routine immunization and during a special pulse polio campaign to make sure no child is left unprotected. Which disease is spread by dog bite? Rabies. Rabies is a dangerous disease caused by a rabies virus. It spreads when an infected dog, cat, or other animal bites a person because the virus is present in the animal's saliva. Once the virus enters the body, it affects the brain and nervous system. This may lead to fever, headache, confusion, trouble in swallowing, and even a fear of water. Which germ causes ringworm? Fungus. Ringworm is a common skin infection caused by fungi. It appears on the skin as red, circular, and itchy patches that may spread if not treated. Ringworm can affect the scalp, body, feet, or nails. It spreads easily through touch, sharing clothes, towels, or contact with infected pets. Which disease spread through unsafe blood transfusion? AIDS. AIDS stands for Acquired Immunodeficiency Syndrome. It is a serious disease caused by the HIV virus. This virus weakens the body defense system, making it hard to fight other illness. HIV can spread in infected blood is given to someone without proper safety tests, or through unsafe needles or from mother to baby during birth or breastfeeding. It does not spread by touching, hugging, or sharing food. Which parasite causes malaria? Plasmodium. Malaria is a disease caused by a teeny parasite called Plasmodium. It spreads to humans through the bite of an infected female Anopheles mosquito. When the parasite enters the blood, it causes fever, chills, shivering, headache, and body pain. Malaria can make a person very weak if not treated in time. Which vaccine prevents tuberculosis? BCG. BCG vaccine is an important vaccine given to babies soon after birth. It protects children from tuberculosis, a disease that mainly affects the lungs and can be very harmful. The vaccine is given as an injection, usually on the upper arm, and leaves a small scar. Which disease is not communicable? Diabetes. Diabetes is a lifestyle disease, which means it often happens because of the way we live. such as unhealthy eating, lack of exercise, or sometimes family history. In diabetes, the body cannot properly control the amount of sugar in the blood. This can make a person feel very thirsty, tired, or need to urinate often. Unlike infections, diabetes does not spread from one person to another. Which mineral is important to prevent anemia? Iron. Iron is an important mineral that our body needs to stay healthy. It helps in making hemoglobin, which is red part of our blood that carries oxygen to all parts of the body. If the body does not get enough iron, it cannot make enough hemoglobin, and this causes a problem called anemia. A person with anemia may feel weak, tired, or look pale. Eating iron-rich food like green leafy vegetable, jaggery, beans, eggs, and meat helps prevent anemia. Which vitamin is important for healthy eyes? Vitamin A. Vitamin A is a very important vitamin for our body. It protects our eyes and helps us see clearly even in dim light. Without enough vitamin a person may have weak eyesight or trouble seeing at night. Foods like carrots, spinach, sweet potatoes, and milk are rich in vitamin A and keep our eyes healthy and strong. Which vitamin deficiency causes wound to heal slowly? Vitamin C is an important vitamin that helps our body stay strong and healthy. It plays a big role in repairing cuts and wounds so they heal quickly. If the body does not get enough vitamin C, wound take a long time to heal and a person may feel weak. Fruits like oranges, lemons, guavas, and amla are rich in vitamin C and keep our body fit. Which vitamin is called sunshine vitamin? Vitamin D. Vitamin D is an important vitamin that keeps our bones and teeth strong. Our body makes vitamin D in the skin when sunlight falls on it, which is why it is called the sunshine vitamin. Without enough vitamin D, children may suffer from arthritis, a disease that makes the bones soft and weak. Spending some time in sunlight and eating foods like milk, eggs, and fish help the body get vitamin D and stay healthy. Weakness in muscles and difficulty in walking is caused by deficiency of vitamin B1. Vitamin B1, also called thiamine, is important for giving energy to our body. If a person does not get enough vitamin B1, it can cause a disease called beriberi. In the disease, the muscles become weak and person feels tired very quickly, even after little work. Eating foods like whole grains, rice, nuts, and pulses provides vitamin B1 and helps prevent beriberi.